Something I want to talk about today that negatively impacts West Virginians a lot of times, we see this in the financial services industry, is West Virginians' inability to qualify for credit. And the big word there is credit scoring. If you've applied for a loan in the past 20 to 25 years, you've heard the term credit score. Your credit score is a tool used by financial institutions to determine the level of creditworthiness, whether or not the borrower will repay the loan. Using the old adage, the best prediction of future performance is past performance. Your credit score is determined based on the following. 35%, which is the largest portion, is based on your repayment history. Do you have 30-day late payments? Do you have tax liens? Do you have medical collections? Those will negatively impact your credit score. 30% is based on the amount of outstanding debt you have. Have you maxed out all of your credit cards? Have you maxed out all of your lines of credit? If you have, this will negatively impact your credit score. 15% is based on the length of time you've had credit. If you've had credit for a long time, that's going to improve your score in most cases. 10% is based on opening of new accounts. Sometimes when you open a new account, that's going to negatively impact your score for a short period of time. This also includes hard inquiries to your credit. Let's say you go to a car dealer and the dealer's trying to get you the best interest rate they can on a new loan. They may send it to 5 financial institutions, and each one of those financial institutions is going to pull your credit. That's considered a hard inquiry, and those will negatively impact your score. The last 10% is based on what type of credit you have. If you have a revolving credit, which is considered a credit card, an installment credit, like a car loan, and a mortgage loan, that's normally going to give you your best credit score. Now, if you have found that your credit score is low and that has impacted you, you've been denied on a loan, or you have not received the best interest rates on your mortgage loan or your car loan, there are a few things you can do. The first one is to review your credit report. Lots of reports have errors. You may not know that your credit report has an error on it. If it has an error, then you can get that straightened up, cleaned up through the credit bureau system. Reduce the balance on your credit cards. The best ratio for outstanding credit card debt is 25% of your credit limit. Pay your bills on time. That is the most important one. You can use your 10, 15-day grace periods, but don't let your bills go 30 days. If you let your bills go 30 days, that's the quickest way for your credit score to take a nosedive. If you are planning on a big purchase, you're going to buy a house, maybe you're buying a new car, don't go out and apply for credit cards in hoping that will increase your credit score, because that will negatively impact your score for a short period of time. You are eligible to receive 1 free credit report per year from the Fair Credit Reporting Act. There are many internet sites out there that will tell you get a free credit report. Some of those will hook you and charge you a monthly fee, so be careful with that. Credit counselors. There are credit counselors out there. Your best credit counselors are your local bankers. We have a lot of good bankers in Raleigh County in southern West Virginia. Go sit down and talk to them, because they are your best counselors and they're not going to charge you for it. If you will check your credit report for mistakes, pay your bills on time, have the good mix of credit, then your score is going to be where it needs to be so that the financial institutions will take a chance on you. It's very important in West Virginia for our folks to live the American dream. We want everyone to own their home. We want everyone to have a nice car. We want everyone to be able to send their kids to college. Credit scoring and keeping your credit in line will help us do that. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.